Study dentistry in Georgia? Are you dreaming of a career in dentistry? Looking for a high-quality, affordable, and globally recognized program? Welcome to Education Hub Georgia, your trusted partner for studying dentistry in one of Europe's fastest-growing education destinations. Georgia offers internationally accredited English-taught dentistry programs with modern facilities, experienced faculty, and hands-on clinical training from the very beginning. No entrance exam. Affordable tuition starting from just $4,000 to $5,500 per year. Degrees recognized by WHO, ECFMG, and other global medical councils. And best of all, you'll study in a safe, student-friendly country with a vibrant international community. At Education Hub Georgia, we support you every step of the way. University admission and application process visa and residence permit assistance accommodation and airport pickup health insurance banking, SIM cards, and address registration. Full student support for up to 90 days after arrival guidance for licensing exams in your home country or abroad, whether you're from India, Africa, the Middle East, or Europe. We help you build a brighter future through dental education in Georgia. So why wait? Apply now for the upcoming intake. Your dream career in dentistry starts here with Education Hub Georgia. Contact us on WhatsApp or visit our website, Education Hub Georgia.